I need to get the 7 a.m. ferry to...
No ferry, so no ferry.
Oh really? Why?
Because of the weather.
Oh really? The weather not good?
Not yet for now.
Well folks, it looks like my gut feeling was right. It didn't work out in the end. The plan was to actually catch the ferry from Manila, Esplanade Pier, all the way to Bataan. And I actually woke up this morning at around about 5 a.m. to catch the 7 a.m. ferry that goes directly to Bataan. That takes only 2 hours, only to find out that they've discontinued the service until further notice because we're now in the monsoon season, supposedly. But that's not going to cancel our plans. There are alternative means to get into Bataan, but it just means it's going to take a lot longer. We're going to have to catch a Genesis bus from the Pasay terminal, which is around about maybe a 5-minute drive from here. That will take 4 to 5 hours rather than the 2 hours that the ferry would take. Because this is Manila and this is Bataan. And to get to Bataan via a car or a bus, you have to go all the way to San Fernando, Pampanga, and then come all the way down, whereas the ferry would just go boop, right across using the sea. And there's no traffic when you use the sea. It's a shame it's not working. I was really looking forward to it. I don't know if anybody's actually made a video about it, but oh well. Where's my Grab? Here we are. Pasay terminal.
Merging.
Yes, Paul. Woo. Okay, thank you. Thank you.
Hey, Bato.
Nope, Bataan. All right, we've arrived to the Pasay bus terminal, and it looks like it's not just a Genesis terminal, but it's a terminal that serves a lot of bus companies, such as 1010 in front of us, San Agustin. We've got Batman behind us. Pretty crazy. But let's go inside and get ourselves a ticket. Bro, this place is a trip hazard. My goodness. Hello, Paul. I'm looking to go to Bataan.
Going.
Bataan.
Bataan. Wait.
Here?
Wait.
Okay, is that the bus?
Yes.
Oh, okay. All right, do I pay for the ticket on the bus?
Yes, sir.
Yeah, okay, no need to queue up here, no? Just here, okay, all right, thank you. That bus is on its way to somewhere. Don't know where. Oh, Baguio. Ma'am, which bus do I take to Bataan?
Wait there, because the bus is going.
Is it going directly to Bataan, or is it got like another destination after?
No, there's two buses. They're Maravillas and Balanga.
Oh, okay,
And
Maravillas.
then you choose what you want.
I want to get a Maravillas.
Okay. You await the
Is that better place in Bataan or no?
Huh?
Is that better?
Yes, that's a Bataan. That's a city of Bataan.
Yeah, better city?
Yeah.
Okay, Maravillas. Okay, thank you.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you. Yeah, well, a place like this can get a little hot, but I recently purchased myself a little fan, and I brought it with me for scenarios like this. Here it is, folks. I thought this would come in handy. Let's crank up the airflow speed. I love the feeling when I buy something and it actually comes in handy. Like this little fan, keeping me cool. Managed to find myself a seat actually in this aircon room. And just in front of me, somebody seems to be live streaming this bus terminal. I don't know if it's Kuya Haya or if it was like the security guard. Oh, this is our bus. Right, I just want to check if there's space here. There's one space here, but it's pretty much almost full. Oh no, it is full. Folks, you know what? Rather than going to Bataan right now, I think what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna go later on this evening because I'm gonna spend most of my day just chilling on the bus for like 4 or 5 hours. So I don't really want to waste my day just hanging out on the bus because it's gonna be pretty uneventful. So I'm thinking to come back here around about 7 or 8 p.m. and then go to Bataan during the evening and arrive for around about 10 p.m., 11 p.m. Something like that. Hopefully the traffic also will be a lot less around about that time. But today is a Friday, meaning everybody's trying to get home to their province. And these folks are all going back home to Bataan, I think. Hello, Paul. Mergim? Mergim? Yeah, that's me. Yeah, good. Oh, I'll be coming back here later. Oh, this is Taft Avenue?
Taft Avenue.
Oh!
It's
Yeah, I didn't know this was Taft Avenue. I could have taken the MRT line all the way to Guadalupe.
Guada.
Yeah.
Guada.
Yeah.
Straight ahead.
Is it busy right now? Lots of traffic or no?
No traffic.
Oh, okay, that's good.
A little bit.
A little bit, just around here near Taft Avenue. In today's video, we're going all over Metro Manila. We went from Pasay to Taft Avenue to BGC, and then later on, we're probably going to go back to Taft Avenue. Okay, we've arrived back to Uptown. I'm just going to drop my stuff off in my unit and then head out. Thank you, boss. Salamat. Thank you. Hey, open that omelette business, yeah? See you. Well, folks, you missed it earlier. It was pouring down with rain. As you can see, the floor is quite wet, but I bumped into a few friends and so I was chatting with them and got carried away. Alright, so I just had a look at the weather app in Bataan and it doesn't look promising. It shows for the next 10 days it's going to be pouring with rain similar to Taguig. Now, you've got to take that with a pinch of salt because, you know, whatever the weather app says is not always accurate. And it's not like it's going to be raining the entire day, but it would be really helpful if I could get myself a car and drive there rather than catching a bus. Hello, how do you do? Good to see you. Welcome to BDC. The chairman greets you. So I'm kind of like in two minds right now whether to go to Bataan or not. I don't want to cancel on plans. I'm definitely going to go somewhere. Whether Bataan is the correct place to go to right now, I'm not sure. There is a bit of resistance. I feel the hesitation going to Bataan. I don't know if there's a whole lot to do there during rainy season. Probably not, but there's a very famous tourist attraction called Filipina La Cruz or you know which one I'm talking about. Everybody in the comments bangs on about visiting there, and actually a few bloggers have recently made videos on that area. I don't know if you need another video entry from me on the area, but I'm on my way to the high street because I would like to go and fix myself up a little. Yeah. I'm gonna try and make myself a little bit more presentable. Like you see, it was pouring really heavily earlier for about, I don't know, 20 to 30 minutes, and now it's looking like the weather is clearing up. But on the weather app, it just shows 100% rain. Like all day. Park this mover scooter here and check what's going down on the high street because I think there is some sort of performance. Hello, ma'am. Can I get a haircut? How long is the waiting line? There's an available slot. Okay. Just sign on this. Oh, wait. Do you have an extra slot there? No. Shall I sign on the next page? Okay, thank you, ma'am. Alright, I've timed this. Timed it? Good afternoon, how'd you do? Nice fist bump. Is that Luigi on your hand or Luigi? Super Mario Bros. So I showed Kuya a picture of what I looked like before with a haircut, and I basically want to get the same. Very, very good. I'm a new man. Look at this. American vlogs. Looking a lot more presentable. We're just getting the razor now. Just to cut away at these small little hairs down my neck. To make it look really clean and fresh. Yeah. A bit of alcohol, yeah? Is that alcohol?
Water.
Oh, it's water. Okay, all that's left is now to just get a little wash of the hair and then a little blow dry and we're done. Usually you get like a massager with your haircut here, but I feel too lazy afterwards, so I'm just going to skip on that. Oh damn. I remember I'm a bit too tall for this seat, so I've got to like really sink low, a little bit up, okay. Alright. All right. Okay, I would say I'm looking pretty bulgy, huh?
Thank you, sir.
Thank you. Oh, it's for you.
Thanks, sir.
You're welcome. Hello, ma'am.
690.
Okay, thank you guys. Whoa, and we're done. Oh, I always walk into the wrong door. Alrighty. I'm not gonna lie, I don't have the best hairline, but he's done a cracking job. Gave Kuya a 500 peso tip, which is like basically the same price as the haircut. Damn, Uptown is glowing just like I am with my new haircut.